Yeah. Oh, wow. Go, baby, go. Now. She's left. Don't be scared.
Okay, now.
Okay, ready?
Okay, don't record this.
I'm not recording it. Go. And tell me when to say action.
Say action.
Action.
This is Nellie's project. Don't do this.
Okay, okay.
1, 2, 3. Ta-da!
Wow. What is it?
It's all about the clouds, though, because the clouds are. This one is
Cumulus?
a swan. What about this one? This one is a fluffy with the head right here. This one is its name is Poofy.
What's the name?
What about this one? Hey, turn around.
Whoa!
This one is named Christina. What about this one? Really, Tina? This is a part of the swan. Okay. Okay, and this one, I didn't even know I made this one.
All right, here we go.